That's why you need these nuts. I'm playing. You do need these nuts though. Hey fellas, today we're going to be talking about 13 foods that you need to ramp up your blood flow so you can have those stronger erections, that you can have that better sexual health. And it's really important because poor circulation is a cause of a number of problems. And of course, that happens down there too. We're talking about different things like smoking, obesity, diabetes. All of these lead to blood flow just slowing down. Now, blood flow reduction can cause unpleasant symptoms such as pain, muscle cramps, numbness, digestive issues, and coldness in the hands and feet. Now, you know those times where you go to sleep on your arm and your arm is just numb? Yeah, that's bad circulation. In addition to those having poor circulation, if you're an athlete, you really want to have good circulation so you can recover faster. A lot of times, whenever we talk about blood flow, the first thing people say is, where can I get a pill? What type of medication should I take? Let your medicine be your food. That's what we're talking about right now. Now, what's the most obvious sign of really, really bad blood flow? Death. That's right. Whenever we're looking at kids, what are kids doing? They're constantly moving. When we're looking at someone who's very old or is dead, blood flow. That's the key to life. And you have a life giver. So you want to make sure that your blood is always flowing with the foods that you're eating. And hey, my name is Brian, aka Uncle B. And as a coach, often people are asking, what can I eat? What can I do to make sure I get that good blood circulation? And that's what we're going to cover right now. And what I'm going to do, give you these foods and break it down till it cannot be broken anymore. All right, so let's go ahead and get rocking and rolling on the food that you need to make sure you're getting that blood flow going. And up first, boom, it's that cayenne pepper. Check that out. Oh, you see it's sort of empty. It's because I actually use it. So as you can see, cayenne pepper is sort of that red orange pepper that can really help boost your blood flow. What it really does is help relax the muscles that line your blood vessels so blood can go through it without an issue. And in turn, with that, you're actually going to decrease your blood flow. Good thing. Now, beets are something that's really good and high in nitrates. And what happens is the nitrates gets converted down into nitric oxide, which helps widen the blood vessels and helps the blood flow through. Now, you can go to the store and get your beets and actually juice the beets. But me personally, I like to take it easy. I just go and get the actual beet juice. I'm used to juice my own beets. It can be messy. So there you go. Now let's talk about the berries. Let's talk about the berries. The berries. Whether we're talking about the blackberries, the red berries, raspberries, if you will, or the blueberries. Are you gang banging on berries? Come on now. When it comes down to the berries, what they do, their color actually helps with our bodies. That's the reason why they talk about adding color to your diet. And what they help do is keep your blood vessels flexible, and they have that nitric oxide to let the blood go through without a problem. Now, let's go ahead and get into these little babies right here. We're talking about the pomegranate seeds. Now, I did just show you the beet juice. However, when we're talking about the pomegranate juices that are out there, remember guys, they have a lot of sugar in it. When you're getting the seeds, you're getting that fiber too. Also, along with that fiber, you're getting the nitrates and the antioxidants that's going to help you with that blood flow down there. And not only is it helpful down there, it's also helpful with your heart, your muscles, and all the other organs that you need so the blood flow is going throughout your entire body. All right, let's go ahead and talk about this baby right here. We're talking about that garlic. Yes, indeed. You end up with that garlic clove right there. Now, garlic, as all these other fruits and vegetables do, are going to help you with that blood flow. And what it does, it helps relax the blood vessels. Now, of course, garlic, you're eating garlic by itself, it can get into your skin, it can smell around some people, but I got a trick for you. What you actually do, you take an orange slice, you slice up this garlic clove, get your little slice in there, and you insert it into the orange, and then you eat it. What does that do? The orange and the garlic cancels each other out, so you don't get that harsh garlic taste, and you can avoid smelling like a piece of garlic. Yeah, it's not sexy. It's not sexy at all. Now, what are the main things that you really need to get into your life to help the blood flow down there? These nuts.
These nuts. Got it.
Yeah, we're talking about walnuts. These walnuts right here will help you in so many different ways. They have the omega-3s. Whenever we hear someone talk about omega-3s, it's always go get some salmon, go get some fish. They have the omega-3s right here. You don't have to go eat something dead. And with the other things I've been talking about, it is also going to make sure that your blood vessels are relaxed, the blood flow can go through, and that your blood vessels are more flexible. That's why you need these nuts. I'm playing. You do need these nuts though. All right, the next up on this list right here. Ooh, look at these right here, baby. We're talking about the dark purple grapes. These are great, as with everything else I've been talking about here in terms of lowering that pressure, lowering your blood pressure by relaxing your blood vessels and letting more nitric oxide go through. It also lets your blood become less sticky, which is highly, highly important for your blood flow. And then you have these puppies right here, turmeric. Turmeric. You can go to the store. You got them in the actual raw turmeric. They have the turmeric spices used in a lot of Indian food, and it's great for circulation. It actually increases the level of nitric oxide in your body. Boom. Now you're off to the races. Now, for all my guys who have that high blood pressure, you need to get that taken care of for real. And the first step is not medication. The first step is actually eating better. So spinach. Spinach is going to help with that. Ooh, the greenery. Like Popeye the Sailor Man is going to make you strong because it's going to help with your blood flow. So once again, it's going to make your arteries more flexible and it's going to decrease your blood pressure. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about oranges. We're talking about that citrus. What do we know about these? Ooh, what you know about that? That orange right there, that has that vitamin C. That vitamin C that has the antioxidants, and like all citrus fruits, it's going to help decrease inflammation, boost circulation, and reduce your blood clots, man. I'm playing. I know my fellas from Jamaica just like, no, stop it. Reduce your blood clots. I just love saying it like that. But yeah, that's what it helps do. So yeah, make sure you have that citrus going on in your body. Now let's go ahead and talk about that ginger. The actual ginger root. That's what I like getting. And then just go ahead, skin that sucker up and put it right there. Boom. You can use this to add to your hot teas. And also you want to use it because it not only helps with things like nausea, it helps with circulation in your stomach. It helps with digestion of food. Hold on there, nephew. You can also get bigger faster with the plant-based supplement GoodWood or GoodWood Advanced for older guys. This liquid formula is designed to get into your system quicker to increase blood flow, to get larger, and boost your stamina so you can last longer at your largest. Don't you love it when nature just makes sense? Check out these in our growing inventory of men's supplements at GiveGoodWood.com. Now, where was I? Fellas, listen to me. This isn't something that my girl's coming over and I'm gonna just go ahead and get this and eat it right before she gets here. And that's what's going to help with my blood circulation. Doesn't work just like that. You actually need to have it in your system over a long period of time so your body is repairing itself. That way, when she comes over, Superman. So if you